Welcome back. In our first lecture, we introduced the concept of this course and touched on the rapid advancements we're seeing in artificial intelligence. Now, in Lecture 1.2, we're going to dedicate our time to understanding the urgency of preparing for this AI-driven future, why now is the critical time frame, and the potential consequences of inaction. For many years, discussions about AI's impact felt abstract, confined to speculative articles or futuristic movies. We talked about AI potentially changing things someday. But the reality is that future has arrived with remarkable speed, and its influence is no longer theoretical. It's tangible, present, and accelerating. Think back just 5, perhaps even 3 years ago. While AI research was ongoing, the tools and capabilities we now see readily available, sophisticated language models capable of generating nuanced text, AI systems that can create photorealistic images from simple prompts, AI assisting in complex coding tasks, or even AI analyzing vast datasets to identify patterns humans would miss. These were not part of mainstream reality. They were often confined to specialized labs or were significantly less capable. The first reason AI preparedness is crucial now is the sheer acceleration of AI capabilities. This isn't a steady, predictable linear progression. We are witnessing exponential growth in certain areas of AI. Breakthroughs build upon breakthroughs at an increasing pace. This means the time between identifying a potential impact and experiencing it is shrinking. What was a long-term concern last decade is a near-term reality this decade. If you wait to fully grasp the implications of AI until its capabilities plateau, you will find yourself perpetually playing catch-up in a world that has already transformed around you. The speed of development means that understanding and adapting need to happen concurrently with the advancements themselves. Secondly, AI is becoming incredibly accessible. This is a fundamental shift. Historically, powerful computing resources and specialized knowledge were prerequisites for developing or even effectively utilizing advanced AI. That is rapidly changing. User-friendly interfaces, cloud computing power, and open-source AI models are democratizing AI. Individuals can use AI writing assistants. Artists can use AI image generators. Small businesses can leverage AI for customer service or data analysis, often with minimal technical expertise or significant investment. This widespread accessibility means that the adoption and integration of AI aren't limited to large corporations anymore. It is spreading horizontally across the economy and vertically through job roles. This rapid, decentralized adoption means that ignoring AI is becoming increasingly difficult, regardless of your field or position. Thirdly, the broadening impact of AI across diverse domains makes preparedness critical now. AI is moving beyond specialized, narrow applications. While AI can still play chess better than any human or analyze medical scans with incredible accuracy, it is also now engaging in tasks that require creativity, complex reasoning, and human-like interaction. Generative AI is challenging our definitions of authorship and creativity in writing, art, and music. AI is being used in increasingly complex decision-making processes in finance, law, and even governance. This expansion into domains previously considered exclusively human means that a much wider array of jobs, industries, and societal structures are subject to transformation. No longer can you assume your field is immune to AI's influence. This leads directly to the crucial point of competitive advantage and disadvantage. In an environment of accelerating, accessible, and broad-impact AI, those who understand, embrace, and ethically leverage AI tools and concepts will gain a significant competitive edge. For an individual, this might mean using AI to enhance productivity in their current role, acquiring new skills related to AI management or development, or identifying new career paths enabled by AI. For a business, it means improved efficiency, innovation, and market positioning. Conversely, individuals or organizations that are unprepared risk falling behind. Skills that can be automated may become less valuable, Business models that ignore AI-driven efficiencies may become unsustainable, and the ability to innovate may be hampered. The gap between the prepared and the unprepared is widening now. Perhaps the most significant reason for urgent preparedness is the need to address the risks and ethical challenges of AI proactively. With the increasing power and accessibility of AI comes a corresponding increase in potential negative consequences. We are already seeing the proliferation of highly convincing misinformation and deepfakes, threatening our ability to discern truth from falsehood. Concerns about algorithmic bias in AI systems used for hiring, lending, or predictive policing raise serious questions about fairness and equity. Issues around data privacy, surveillance, and the potential for AI misuse in security or conflict scenarios are becoming more pressing realities, not theoretical future problems. Job displacement on a potentially large scale requires societal planning for retraining and economic adaptation. Being prepared now means being part of the conversation about these risks. It means developing the critical thinking skills to identify and question potential AI harms. It means advocating for or developing ethical guidelines and regulations as the technology is being integrated into society, rather than trying to retrofit solutions after problems have become entrenched. The window for shaping AI's development in a way that maximizes benefits and minimizes harms is now, while the technology is still, to some extent, being defined and deployed. Weighting risks, letting the negative consequences outpace our ability to control them. In essence, AI preparedness is crucial now because the pace of change is no longer allowing us the luxury of deferral. The technology is here, it's available, it's impacting everything, and the stakes, both for opportunity and risk, are higher than ever. This isn't about predicting the exact future. It's about building resilience and adaptability for a future that is clearly being shaped by AI. It's about ensuring that you, your organization, and society are equipped to understand this powerful force, leverage its potential for good, and navigate its challenges responsibly. Understanding why this is crucial now sets the stage for us to explore how to prepare. In our next lecture, Lecture 1.3, we'll address some common fears and misconceptions about AI that might be holding people back from engaging with this topic, helping to clear the air and provide a clearer path forward for our preparedness journey. Enjoyed the video? Want to stay up to date with the latest GMP insights and guidance? Then make sure to subscribe to our channel. We've got tons more helpful content coming.